Today's chord of the day is an Eadd2. It is one of my favorite chords. This is what it sounds like. It sounds like a sunrise to me. It's got the E, open E. It's got the 5, which is the B. It's got the F sharp, which is the 2. And then it's got the major third, which is the G sharp. And then it's got 5, which is the B, and then E again, which is 1. So this is one of those chords that you could hear at the beginning of like a yoga instructional. We're about to begin. Get seated. Find a comfortable place. Take a deep breath. Get ready to find yourself. Eadd2. See you in the next one.